Alright, already finished upgrading the bike, and let's weight it. Let's see the weight. Pardon for my sleepers, okay? Okay, lift. See, the bike is hanging in the air. And come on, there you are. 7.59 grams, so 7.6 kilograms. 7.59. I don't know. Do you think it's good? To see compact handlebar, to see carbon stem, King Quickie brake, Continental, GP 5000, to see seat post, Super Logic carbon. Now I'm going to replace this with this. This will add like another 100 grams. This is carbon fiber. Also, this is a legit one. See, this is a legit Cell Italia Superflow. So this will add another 100 grams. So it's still 7.6 kilograms on aluminum bike. So I did put derailleurs. Do I need it? No. Do I like it? Yes, so I did. I replaced the bottom bracket with BB Infinite. So if you don't know what BB Infinite is, you can check it out on the YouTube page. The tube I used to ride all TP, and this is the wrap is a Rock Bros wrap, matchy, and Fulcrum Racing 5. 7.6 kilograms a bike. Now, if you ask me, is it okay? Is it good? Does it ride okay? Well, tell you to see, I did wax my chain, so you see there's a flakes, because I wax the chain, I wax it. See, I upgraded a bike thinking only one thing. That is higher power transfer rate, or higher power rate transfer. So I pick up the Fulcrum Racing 5. It's supposed to be Racing 4, but I can't find any rim brake. So available Fulcrum 4 is a disc brake, and I love rims. I love rim brakes. So I'm on Racing 5. It's still decent. It's 1,650 grams, so it is a very good wheel, and it has a 17mm axle that is used for higher power transfer rate. The design of this rim is symmetric. See? It's not really visible. Hold on, let's see. There you are. You see here. See the tube? It's not in the middle. Why? Because it was designed that way, so the wheel can give you much higher power transfer rate. 17 millimeter axle plus the design of the rim itself and additional power transfer rate. BB infinite bottom bracket for additional high power transfer rate, and they said that you gain a watt or 2 or 1.5 or something using this. Well, do I like this? Oh yeah. But do I need it? Well, still subjective, but I like it, so just purchase it. I don't know if you like it, but this saddle, dang, hey, it's only $20. It took me a month to complete everything. I bought those carbons to seek carbons from AliExpress. Yep. And I don't know. What do you think regarding the pedal? I have a clipless here and SPD here. So, and that SPD pedal is like dual function. You can use it in flat or you can use the other side for SPD. So it's always subjective when it comes to pedal. But what do you think? Do you like how I build it? I replace Jaguar cable, so I have a much better, braking power. There you are. See? Beautiful, right? Nice and beefy cables. Nice brake. Lightweight. Do you see the angle of the handlebar? Do you like it? Now, if you like the bike, give it a like, so I would know if some people like it. And if you hate it, and if you want me to change something, well, tell me. I don't do race. It's only, a personal build for my fitness. And tell me, what can you say? And if you like, you can put a comment on what do you want me to do. Upgrade or do anything about it. Alright guys, take care. God bless. Oh, by the way, the price is less than $2,000. Now tell me, is this enough to at least level or equal LA or tarmac or ALR, track ALR? Tell me. Alright, ciao.